Good morning students, welcome you all for online classes. Today we will discuss about digital signature. Hash function has functions used in the computation of digital signature. Okay, the term, what do you mean by digital signature? It has two goals. The first one is digitally signed messages assure that recipient message came from authorized sender. Okay, that he must guarantee that authorized sender or known person should sign the signature digitally. Okay, and the second one is provide a recipient with assurance that message was not altered, means not changed while transfer. So these two goals we have. It's mandatory to understand about digital signature. Okay, it should digital signed messages means digitally signed messages assure the recipient that recipient means other side, that is the receiver, the message came from authorized sender, known person, and these messages also provide the recipient that message was not altered, there is no change while transferring sender to receiver. For example, if sender A wants to send a message to sender receiver B, he wants to send a message. In between, that message is not changed or not altered. Okay, and how this person comes to know that whether it is message altered or not? Based on digital signature. So how it will going to work? Let's see this small demo. Sender A must encrypt his message or hash with the message with the help of his public key, his private key, and he will compute his hash value. M stands for message, okay, and A for what? Sender A is a sign, and H is hash value. He will go compute based on his private key. And after sending this message to receiver what will do? Through his private key, he will going to verifies his signature whether this is matching or not. Hash of message, M is message, H is hash value. Hash of message is equal to signature of person A. If both keys are matching, then this message is not altered, it's digital signed. So in that way, sender B he will going to open his message. So this is what can say about digital signature. Another one, before going to discuss this scenario, let's see how this digital signature will work. So this is my sample example. So I am referring this website. Here private key and public key, both keys are here, and how this digital signature will going to work. Here I am going to type some message, means I want to digitally sign. So first you understand, this is a private key and this one is public key. Here I am going to type that hi, welcome to 7/7. So which algorithm I am using? SHA-1. Now I am signed to this message, so I am signing. So after signing I am get the hash value. This is what hash value. So I will send this message to receiver. Okay, now I am copying this. So after copying I make sure that whether this signed is valid or not, verifying this signature. Here signature is valid. I hope you are seeing this. Okay, signature is valid. After that, what I am going to receive this message and I will open this message. Original message is what? Hi, welcome to 7/7, and original message is what? Hi, welcome to 7/7. Okay, suppose an attacker will somehow he makes changes in this signature, right? So I am going to changing small changes. I am erasing that last 50. Okay, 2 digits I have erased and same thing I have copied, and now I am going to check whether signature is valid or not. Just I have erased 2 digits and I am not getting valid signature here. Signature is what? Not valid. Okay, in this case I am not going to open this message because attacker has made changes regarding this signature. So this is what? Digital signature. Is it clear concept? Okay. Now try to understand this scenario. Alice wants to send a message to Bob, and how she will send a message. Alice computes her sign with the help of private key. Before only we have seen. So after calculating hash value, okay, same way we have calculated here, right? So using what? SHA-1. Okay, and here assume this key is what? SHA-1 algorithm. Okay, after calculating this we will get hash value, that is HM is for message and who sender address, that is alias. Similarly here this is what? Hash value. Okay, this hash value we are seeing in this slide. This is what? Signature. Can call it is what? Signature, generated signature. How it is generated? Based on your message and this private key and algorithm. From these three we are getting generated hash value. Same way here hash value is generated. After generating alias sent to Bob. What she is sending? Message and signature. Signature includes what? Hash value and message. From who? From whom? From alias. So I am copying here. Here signature is there, or hash value, and message is here. Is it clear? Okay. Now And in Bob, what will do the Bob? Bob verifies her signature with the help of what? The help of public key, means signer's public key, and hash value. Hash value is what? This. It will going to verify. How to verify? Here. Verify after signature is valid, means hash value is valid, then she will accept that message. H of M, H means hash value of M equal to signature of alias. Signature of alias means what? He generated sign, right? Digital signature. So both are matching. Then Bob ready to receive her message. So this is what, how digital signature will work. Is it clear? Okay. Next one is same steps here repeating. Alice signs a message M by using her private key to encrypt. That is, she computes signature is equal to message with alias. If Alice sends M and S means signature to Bob, then Bob can verify the signature by verifying that M message is equal to signature of alias. Both are matches, then Bob will ready to receive her message. Okay, here Alice will going to compute, that is a hash value, means generated signature. After Bob will receive her message. So here then Alice can send Bob M and S. S means what? Message. S means signature and M means message. Bob verifies the signature by hashing M and comparing the result to the value obtained when Alice's public key is applied to S. That is, Bob verifies hash of message is equal to signature of alias. Both are valid, then Bob has message is, that message is not altered by any attackers or hackers. So this is about digital signature, and if you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me. Okay, and this is for a demo how we are digitally signed and how we are verifies the signatures and how we are receiving the message. Okay, small implementation. This implementation is done by this website. I am just referring this website for your understanding purpose. Okay, thank you.